think marijuana is legal in Canada. I smell it everywhere. Hey guys, Omar here, and I am in Lake Louise here in Canada, and I'm excited because the reason that I came here was a friend said, hey, have you ever heard of Banff? Googled it, and the picture of Lake Louise came up, and I knew I had to come here. So I'm about to see it, haven't seen it yet, but we're going to call this video Landscape Photography for Dummies. They also say you're supposed to stay in groups because there's bears, and I'm all alone right now. My family left me. That would make some YouTube video, wouldn't it? Okay, here's the big reveal. I'm about to come out Lake Louise. There's 4,000 people. We didn't come here in the morning. We actually came here at night. Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh, no wonder everyone loves this place. It's not real, people. It's not real. It's computer animated. Actually, let's see what all the tourists are doing first. Okay, so it's absolutely gorgeous, but I have no idea how I'm going to do a photograph here. You need to see the scene. Watch, look at this. What a great shot there. So we decided to avoid Lake Louise in the morning, so we're here actually in the evening where it's lighter. We actually got into the parking lot. The parking lot closes or gets full around 7 a.m. We're gonna try to sort of sneak in and set up our tripod and see what we get. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. We're gonna try to go down there. The Fuji X-T20 with the 10 to 24. I'm gonna change tripods here. This guy doesn't go low enough. It's too high. We need to be low to the ground. All right, we got this guy. Okay, some of these rocks aren't that great as a foreground, but we're gonna try anyway. Here's my wife being the tourist right here with the kids. Okay. You're such a tourist. There's people everywhere. This is the reality if you go anywhere, Rome, New York. You just have to find the best times, the best spots, and sort of shoot around people. It's crazy, but I tried to use some of the foreground rocks, but some clouds came in. Look at the clouds that came in over the glacier over there. So I'm gonna try a shot with those, but there's like tons of mosquitoes here. I didn't know Canada had mosquitoes. Oh, okay, it's a struggle with the tourists and the mosquitoes. So I think I found my shot. I'm channeling my Art Wolf. Art Wolf's technique is to shoot at a high aperture, or something like f/16. So everything is in focus. Everything that's close to you, middle and back, and have the foreground element be very powerful. So I'm gonna try that here. It's not super great, but there's a bunch of good rocks behind me, so I'm gonna use them as the foreground element. And there's like some shimmery on here. I'll show you. There's like a little pathway here. This is my foreground element, and then this kind of makes like a little V and A. So this way it doesn't really work as a composition for me, but I'm gonna turn you guys vertical. Anyway, I think that's our picture. Rainbow. We got a little new foreground element here. Background. It's so beautiful here though. So I'm gonna put the camera away and enjoy the scenery, you have to do that too. Sometimes you just have to put the camera away and take it in because you won't remember being here. So that's what I'm gonna do. More tomorrow. Okay, Landscape for Dummies Part 2. First of all, let me apologize. The last video, my sensor was ridiculously dirty, so that's something you should take care of, is keep your sensor clean. I didn't notice until later, so thanks for letting me know, guys. So I can always count on you. Okay, we're doing a climb now. We shed all our layers. Anyway, we're going up to get some tea, apparently. But the incline here is crazy. We're already way above the lake. But it's beautiful. We're in the forest, surrounded by beautiful trees. And it's lovely. Well, you can't tell on camera, but this is really steep. If anyone finds this tape, we're making our way up. We did our best. We're climbing. This is one of those moments where you ask yourself why you brought that tripod. You likens? Landscape photography for dummies. Use a foreground element. Set your aperture to f8 or f11. Foreground element, middle element, and then your mountains in the back with the sky. And you should be okay. So funny, if you just see the scene, you would think that I'm completely alone in the beautiful wilderness, but check this out. Look at all these people over here. Look at that. Okay, we're doing a little river walk after seeing the shops, and there's a beautiful bridge and scenery. It's lovely. Hey, are you flying? The sky's angry. It looks like it's gonna storm on me, but I just thought of a great landscape photography for dummies tip. Cropping wide is something you could do with your landscapes. Why would you do that? Well, sometimes the sky and the foreground grass is too much of a distraction, and cropping your image thin through the middle is a good... Bikers, they look cool. Hey! Anyway, cropping the sky and cropping the grass is a good way to sort of set your focus in a landscape orientation. So, landscape tip for dummies. I totally see the storm over there. It's coming towards us. Okay, put away Fuji X-T20, not weather sealed. Hear that? Ooh, pretty flowers. Just made it. I'll see you guys next time.